Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 9th, 2024, and we have a packed episode for you, covering everything from cybersecurity breaches to exciting new Apple product leaks. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a significant cybersecurity breach, Chinese hackers, allegedly from the Ministry of State Security's Salt Typhoon Group, have infiltrated major US ISPs like AT&T, Lumen, and Verizon. This breach exploited backdoors meant for lawful wiretaps, potentially compromising sensitive data for months. Experts warn of the espionage implications, highlighting the risks of backdoor access. This incident reinforces Apple's stance against creating backdoors in its devices, emphasizing the importance of full encryption to prevent exploitation by malicious actors. Apple is facing a major leak involving an unannounced 14-inch MacBook Pro with an M4 chip. Alleged photos and videos of the device have surfaced, showcasing specs like a 10-core CPU and GPU, 16GB RAM, and a new space black color. The leak, reminiscent of the infamous iPhone 4 incident, raises questions about Apple's response and its impact on product launch strategies. Speculation suggests a November release, aligning with expectations for the M4 chip's rollout. Apple TV Plus has maintained an 8% market share in the US streaming landscape, despite losing ground to Paramount Plus in the third quarter of 2024. The platform's performance has been stable, with peak numbers earlier this year. While Apple TV Plus offers fewer titles than competitors, it has earned multiple awards for its original content. The streaming market remains competitive, with Apple TV Plus striving to enhance its position. The U.S. Department of Justice has reached a $25 million settlement with Apple over allegations of employment discrimination based on citizenship status. The investigation found discriminatory hiring practices in Apple's recruitment for perm positions. As part of the settlement, Apple will enhance its recruitment practices and provide anti-discrimination training. This case marks the largest recovery under the anti-discrimination provisions of the Immigration and Nationality Act. Apple has officially declared the iPod Nano and iPod Shuffle as obsolete, marking the end of an era for these iconic music devices. The 7th-generation iPod Nano and 4th-generation iPod Shuffle, last updated in 2015, will no longer be eligible for repairs. This announcement signifies a shift as Apple phases out older technology in favor of newer devices and services. Ricky Mondello has addressed questions about Apple-generated passwords, which often appear as gibberish two-syllable words. This design enhances usability, especially on suboptimal keyboard layouts, while maintaining high security with 71 bits of entropy. The passwords are constructed using a consonant-vowel-consonant pattern, making them easier to type and remember. Musi, a popular music streaming app, has filed a lawsuit against Apple after its removal from the App Store following a complaint from YouTube. The lawsuit accuses Apple of breach of contract and failing to act in good faith. Musi seeks reinstatement of its app and compensation for damages, highlighting the complexities of app removals and third-party content usage. Kabit is a new habit tracking app designed to make habit building enjoyable. It features habit cards, a streak counter, and a calendar view for visual progress. The app emphasizes user privacy and has received positive reviews for its simplicity and effectiveness. Kabit aims to be a fun companion in the journey of habit formation. OpenTalk is an app designed to enhance the experience of watching TikTok videos in a web browser, addressing recent user difficulties. The app removes tracking details and offers a distraction-free viewing environment. OpenTalk has been praised for its functionality and privacy features, providing a seamless experience for TikTok users. Apple is launching the Swift Student Challenge to empower student developers to showcase their creativity through app playgrounds. The challenge encourages innovative app ideas addressing real-world issues. Winners will receive recognition, a membership in the Apple Developer Program, and a special gift. This initiative reflects Apple's commitment to nurturing the next generation of developers. Apple has introduced a new approach to improve machine translation systems' handling of grammatical gender ambiguity. This method allows users to select the most contextually appropriate gendered terms, enhancing translation accuracy and inclusivity. The feature is integrated into Apple's Translate app, providing users with greater control over their translations. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on everything Apple. Until then, stay informed and stay secure.